Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Crypto Wiz here. I'm gonna give you guys a new crypto update. Please leave a like, comment. If you like my channel, subscribe, and turn on notification bell for more updates. Second, I am not a financial advisor, so enjoy the program on your own risk. Invest at your own risk. Everything online is at risk, so only invest what you can't afford to lose. Okay, so we're gonna talk about Chrysos here. I have a new exciting update. As you see, when I go to the lending part, this is what I get. It's $115. All right, this is what happened. I did send them an email about I'm not getting my daily interest correctly, and this is what I gotten. So they did correct it. So it looks to me like everything is being fixed. Because before that I was getting like $15. I was supposed to get 30. So basically they probably give me back all the money that my missing payouts and gave me the $30 back. You feel me? Everything is being fixed. So do not panic, y'all. I'm not planning on reinvesting. My plan is to exchange it as soon as the terminal exchange, begins. Right now it's at, $16, it's not that bad. I'm not sure why this is not showing for buy orders. There's a lot of sales going on right here. A lot of trades. I was going to post a link, but I realized that they're not allowing new members to come in. So I don't know why that's the problem for them. But like I said, though, everything is being fixed. So do not panic, y'all. Just give them time because this is probably their first time doing a lending platform and they're fixing it. So as you can see, like I said about the lending part, it's being fixed. So I am getting my $30 a day now. Cause I'm supposed to get 30 instead of like 14. So everything is being fixed. So do not spread no false fuss saying that it's a scam. They scammed us. No, they didn't do it. It's a glitch. And then second, their English is not very that good. So that's probably why they're having a hard time, fixing everything. But right now everything is looking smooth. I am looking forward to the terminal exchange. I don't know what's gonna happen. It might be $14. It might be lower. Who knows? It might be high. Well, my high hopes is I hope it's high because I'm planning on selling all these tokens right here. You feel me? All these tokens. But like I said, though, do not panic, y'all. Do not panic. So whatever happens, do not panic. Everything is being fixed. I'm gonna show you again. Like I said, they already fixed this part. That's already solved. They gave me back all the money that I was missing and fixed me. The only thing now is I need to see if they really did fix my return investments. I'm supposed to get $30 a day, so if that pops up as $140, I will let you guys know. You feel me? But like I said, though, do not panic. They are fixing everything. It's just a little slow process for them. But that's all for the update, It's your boy Crypto Wiz here. I'll catch you guys in the next new update. Okay, later.